What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, I have to replace my third brake light on my truck because it is not working and the lights are flickering. I tried changing the LEDs out and that didn't work. They're still flickering, so it's either connection in the actual light or it's the connection to the light. Let's get into it. So here's the issue I'm running into. This side is completely out, and then this side is just flickering. It's hard to see on camera, but it is flickering, and now we're gonna change it. But first, I'm gonna take this screw out over here. I'm gonna take that screw out, and then we're gonna pull this off, disconnect it, connect the new one. So I'm gonna do that now. So here's the new third brake light. It's all LED. It's not really the most expensive thing. It's just kind of a cheap one I bought off Amazon just to see if it fixes this problem. If it doesn't fix it, then I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I might just leave it and call it with that, because I already have my back brake lights. Jeez. Because I already have my back rack brake lights, so I guess there's not really a need for this one, but oh well. Okay, first I'm going to take the Phillips head screwdriver and take these screws off as possible. Oh well. Alright, screws are out. Now let's take the light off. Now to disconnect this, all I have to do is take this piece, push it up, and then pull it out. So I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Okay, just like that. And then the new one will connect to this. Alright, now the satisfying part, which everybody loves this, I'm sure, because it's always satisfying. If I can hold it well. Wow, that just made my day. Alright, let's connect it. Take our two connections here and connect them however we want to go. Like that, now we're connected. I'm going to shove this whole thing in here. Just like this. Okay, we're going to take our screws. Okay, now we'll tighten it down. Not too tight, but just tight enough. Okay, now it's installed. Our new brake light is now installed, and hopefully it works, or else this was just a big waste of time. Here we go. Well, it works. As we can see, LEDs, nice and bright. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was short, but I needed to get that third brake light installed because the other one wasn't working properly. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.